Hey friends, it's your girl Denise from At Home with Denise, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here. I want to say welcome back and welcome to, if this is your first time joining us. And I want to say a special shout out and welcome to all of our new subscribers who've joined us throughout the week. We really appreciate you being here. We hope that you continue to enjoy this channel and that you continue to share out with your family and friends. So today it is Sunday morning and we're getting ready to do a quick Sunday reset, do a little bit of cleaning and cooking before I head out with my family to Sunday morning worship. So I just want to bring you along with me, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. So let's get it done together. So as always, we're going to begin here in the living room doing a bit of picking up and cleaning. It's not that bad on today. Just need to move a few items that don't belong in the living room out, straighten up the pillows and put the blankets back where they belong. And then we'll move over quickly to the dining room and the kitchen. Are there any football fans out there? As you can tell, my husband is a 49ers diehard, and by default, I am as well. He and my boys are super excited that we are on our way to the NFC Championship and looking forward to going to the Super Bowl. Do you have a favorite team? If so, leave it in the comments. I'd like to take a moment to say hi and welcome our new family members to the channel. Hi everybody, welcome to this channel, At Home with Denise. We're so super excited that you are here with us, and we're hoping that you continue to enjoy this journey with us, that you continue to come back week after week as we share videos and vlogs with you, because it is a great community for us to share together. Again, thank you so much for hitting that subscribe button and that like button, and we hope that we continue to see you week after week. Wrapping up this quick clean here in the living room, and I'm going to head on over now to the dining room and the kitchen to get it reset and refreshed for the week. Now this is so much better. It finally looks like a dining room again. It seems as though we've been using it for everything other than the dining room lately. Now that it's back in order, hopefully we can keep it that way for the remainder of the week and that we can stay on top of it. There isn't much to do here in the kitchen other than straightening up a bit, put up a few dishes, and then hand wash a couple of dishes that I used on last evening when I was cooking dinner, and then I can start cooking breakfast for my family. If this is your first time being with us, I want to say welcome and thank you so much for being here. Thank you for taking the chance on us and hitting that play button and watching us thus far. I want to say hi to you and introduce myself. My name is Denise. I'm a wife, a mom, an educator, a crafter, and a digital product designer, trying to juggle it all. And I want to welcome you to this wonderful channel and this community of people. Thank you so much for deciding to hit that play button. And if you see something just enough that you like today, I wish you would consider to hit that subscribe button so we can see you here again the next time. Again, thanks so much for being here and thanks for watching. that I've reset, refreshed, and disinfected my home for the week, I just want to jump on over and start on breakfast, getting it ready for my family before we head out for Sunday morning worship. I started a little later than normal, so I only had pancakes and bacon on the menu for today, just to make sure that I did feed my family a balanced meal before they left for service, so my kiddos wouldn't be hungry while they're in church. Right now I'm just getting the bacon ready to place in the oven, and then I'll begin getting set up and ready to begin making the pancakes. I love this little dispenser for pouring my pancakes onto the griddle, and when I'm in a hurry, I also use it as a mixing bowl. So this really helped me out in reducing the amount of dishes that I was using, and to move a little bit quicker because I was running behind schedule and enough time for us to get finished ready for church as well as get there on time. Normally we don't eat until everything is done, but today I made an exception to the rule and went ahead and fed my boys as soon as I had some pancakes ready, because they needed to finish getting ready for service, as well as my daughter. She's not a big breakfast eater, so she normally just wants some toast and bacon. So on today we had pancakes and bacon with apple juice. A really quick and easy breakfast for the fam. Well, that's our time for today. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and if you did, it would really help me out if you consider hitting that thumbs up button and that subscribe button so we can see you here again the next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.